Hi, this is Scrapbook Adhesive by 3L, and we are here to feature our metallic foil sheets. We have them in 5 different packs, and each of them have 5 different colors. So let's get started. The metallic transfer foil in holographic colors. They come by 6 by 12, 1 sheet per color. There's the fine of glitter gold and silver and chunky gold and silver, and we also have the rainbow. In our 6 by 12 format, we also have it in the variety color. This is more of our jewel tone, and you'll have 1 sheet of the 6 by 12. Our newest offering comes in a 6 by 6, but there are 2 sheets of each color, and you get 5, so altogether you get 10 sheets. We'll go over the pastel colors, the natural colors, and lastly our celebrate colors. So with our holographic, they come out like so. This is part of our 3D foam shapes. These are our pennants. They turned out really cool. There's 5 colors. I have 2 of the rainbow here. Next is our variety, and these are the colors that look like them in our pennant shape. So pretty. Next is our pastel colors, and they look like this. This is our nature color, our 6 by 6, and they look like this on our shapes. We have many shapes to offer you to choose from for classes and whatnot. Lastly, our celebrate color. So you have an idea of how this works. So what we'll do is take off the pennant liner on top like so, and you'll see the exposed adhesive. I'm going to take the yellow or the gold color from the celebrate, and I'm going to put it right on top, so color side up. And looks like I missed an area. No problem, you just lift it off like that, real easy. What you do is you go over to a cleaner side, refoil. So all you have to do is refoil it and pull it off, and the adhesive catches right on it beautifully. That's all you have to do. Real simple. Instant gratification and dimensional at the same time. This is one of our foam shapes, which is the leaves. I'll show you this. So a fun trick I like to show is, let's take this maple, take off the top liner, put it on the side. I am going to take maybe I'll take the brown. I'm going to crunch it up and cause it wrinkles and crinkles. I don't know if you can see that. What you can do is place it over the exposed adhesive on the shape. You close up so you can see. And then pull that off. A little messy because I crinkle it really hard, but you can see the little cracks and all the different distressed areas. I'm going to take a solid orange foil from the same nature color, place it right on top so it catches the exposed adhesive to create a different kind of design. This is what I call my stress buster. And there you have it. Really cool effect. And then you can always go over it to see if you caught every little crack, and sometimes you can't really tell. So I recommend refoiling it on a clean foil. And I played a little bit more. This is what I end up doing. And I made a card, and there you have it. Embossed background and a really pretty fall color card. Also with your foils, you can use your dispensers, your permanent strips, your dots, your easy runner heart shapes that we have, our petite dot runners, even our adhesive dots, and our crafty power tape, which is our tear tape. You just roll it and then you cover it with foil and you get this kind of effect. The combination of crinkling your foam and using your dot adhesive, this is what I created with a simple Mother's Day layout. With our 3D foam sheets, You can cut any kind of die with it. It cuts like butter. We have black and white in 2 different sizes. This is one size. We also have a 6x12. Use your die, cut it out to get this. Use an entire sheet of foil of your choice. You can make a great shaker card. So much fun. Love the effect of the foil. Did you know that you can use our metallic transfer foil sheet on hot foil plate systems? Just like the one that Spellbinders have, we use that as the background. What we did was we placed our foil just like the sandwich instructed for theirs. You may need a shim depending on the design. Then I put my cardstock on top, put it through, and there you have it, a nice design. So pretty. So what do you do with the leftover foil? I decided to use it with the 3D foam creative sheet. That gives you dimension and has a nice background design that you can use. So let me show you how. Peel off the liner very carefully because it is sticky, and then place color side up the foil on top of it. I use my fingers first to take out all the air bubbles, and then use the blunt end of the bone folder and burnish it in to transfer the design onto the foam. There you have it there. And then what you want to do is peel. You may not have, it may be a little sticky, so you may have some trouble at the beginning. But see, there you have it. Now you see the white, that's the exposed adhesive that we need to cover. So don't waste that foil. Yes, so I used the glitter and I covered that whole thing up, and I push the glitter into the foam to secure it. And there I do the second part of it. Then I brushed it off as much as I could, and then I used a hard brush to get off the rest. And there you have it, a pattern that you can die cut or use on a card front. I hope you enjoyed that technique. So I hope you enjoyed our overview of our metallic transfer foil sheets in 5 different colors. And thank you for your time. Have a good day.